Psalms 4:4 teaches you how to live a life of meditation. That's why it tells you that you must commune with your own heart upon your bed and be still, or to go into that place of stillness, that place of meditation. You realize that true prayer is desire and meditation, and every one of us have desires. So Psalms 4:4 is teaching you that the best time to take your desires into the kingdom of God, which is within you, which is also the kingdom of where all things are possible, that it must be when you are in that drowsy, sleepy state, that state that bothers upon sleep. So just before you go to bed, you are to order your conversation aright, because how you go to bed and how you awake is what is basically shaping your life. So my brother, my sisters, just as you go to bed and in the morning you awake, so too you must see life as a dream, and one day you will awake out of that dream to realize who you are. That is why when you practice meditation, you practice visualization, you practice affirmation and these things, that is you practicing to live from inside out. Okay? So to really get the effects of the Psalms in the Bible, and especially Psalms 4:4, you must understand the importance of silence. You must understand the importance of meditation. You must understand the importance of going within. You must understand also through prayer that it is not babbling. Okay, that is why Matthew 6:5 tell you must not be like the hypocrites who like to be seen and heard. But he say instead you must go into your closet, go into that secret place where your Father dwells in secret. Well, the good news is that when you're going to bed and you're about to fall asleep, you're changing dimension. You're coming out of this three-dimensional physical wall, this wall of matter, and you're going into the wall of spirit. You're going into the fourth dimension, and from the fourth dimension, you can go right up to the ninth dimension, okay? And the ninth dimension is where you will be able to experience yourself as just pure consciousness. So when you do these practices and use the Psalms rightly, you will align your life with the rest of nature, and nature always brings forth bountifully. Look at nature. The sun shines upon all of nature, and nature brings forth bountifully. So too, whatever you shine light upon, whatsoever you desire, okay, your life would attract it, and it would come forth and manifest in your life. And you will know that you are conscious and a deliberate creator, because you meditate on the law morning, noon, and night. And when I speak about the law, I'm speaking about the law of consciousness, the law that governs all of humanity. Okay, so once you understand that everything is governed by law and order, and you work by these law and order, you would realize that without faith it is impossible to please God, because you know that God and man are one, and you have to be loyal to the unseen. That is why you will go into the invisible world to give you the results that you desire in this visible three-dimensional world. And Psalms 4:4 give you that key. So with that being said, I just want to say peace.